Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna edit a couple more photos from the old photos that I shot. This one is also with the Gula baby, and this one was in downtown Sacramento. And first thing I'm gonna do is just change all these into the standard profile, and then I'm gonna do one by one. First I'm gonna check any places that I need to patch a little bit, and then do a smooth skin because the lighting is pretty good. So I will do a portraiture 3 later on. So let me patch a little bit of the eyes area. Okay, so reduce the highlights, increase. Okay, and then I'm gonna reduce the yellow a little bit more in here. You can see the difference between the, so when the city style has the concrete background, I will usually have less yellow in the back. So reduce. And one thing to sometimes if don't crop on the joint, and either you crop all the way up the hands or crop after the fingers. So do not crop on the joint area. So let me adjust the framing, and then you can double check the framing here. Okay, I'm gonna just do a slight skin retouch one more time in here, and then once this was done, I'm gonna do a portraiture 3 update. I just noticed one spot I need to patch later, so I'm gonna do after I finish the portraiture 3, I'm going to do one patch on this spot on the clothing. Okay, so that's good, nice and smooth. Export it out. Next one, so let me do a copy this one, and then the next one, and this one I can reduce the green a little bit. Slightly a little bit of the blue, less. And I'm gonna crop out this dot right here. It's a little bit distracting, so I cropped closer to the center for Instagram purpose, 4x5 crop. And because this one is on the ground, I'm gonna adjust some of the spots on the ground so that it's like a cleaner overall consistency in here. Okay. Okay, so next one I'm going to do shadow, a little bit more light in here. Okay, and then do a portraiture 3. So once this is finished and I export it out, the TIFF files, export it out. So the next couple photos are very similar. I'm gonna just give them the similar edit, and because it's a similar crop, I'm gonna use the crop like this. And these couple things can be a set in the Instagram set also, so you can put them in the set. Sometimes you want to plan out what's in the set for you. You can just plan it out together. So I'm gonna do a little bit more light in front. That's good. And then next one. Okay, that's good. And 3 of them I'm gonna do at the same time. This time, just portraiture 3.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning.
So once this finished, I export these 3 at the same time. Okay, so this today is a pretty quick video, and thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.